Hi there, I'm Nadia Davis, head of marketing here at CaliberMind, and if you're watching this video, your organization has just added CaliberMind to your analytics arsenal. Congratulations on making this strategic choice. This decision is going to fundamentally transform how you understand what's working in marketing, allowing you to validate your successes and scale them accordingly. That's why I'm here to personally welcome you to the CaliberMind family. Just a little while ago, I was in your place. I was a customer of CaliberMind, and I was bringing in a new tool to empower my previous GTM organization to add clarity in complex data and reporting. I know firsthand that CaliberMind will give every stakeholder access to precise metrics and unified insights that they need for complete visibility on the true impact that every player makes in the business goals. And really, it goes beyond reporting. It also gives you the intelligence needed to action those insights accordingly, whether it's optimizing the campaign spend, choosing which campaign to pause and which one to scale, prioritizing accounts for sales, or driving executive alignment. So let me give you a quick tour of what CaliberMind functionality is, if this is the first time you're hearing the name, and tell you exactly what CaliberMind means for your specific role. So join me.
Today's buyer's journey is extremely complex. It involves multiple players within the buying group. A lot of it happens in a dark funnel, and aggregating all of those touch points to truly show the marketing impact has become increasingly difficult. And yet the pressure to prove marketing ROI is growing. And it's true for all members on the marketing team, not just performance marketers, but everyone else as well. And the challenge is that other teams within the go-to-market organization deal with more of a black and white world, where finance deals with dollars in, dollars out. Sales deal with opportunities either being open or not being open, won or lost. Marketing deals with murky marketing data, a lot of it. Directional signals, very thin, very voluminous mountains of data. And it's really difficult to bring all of the data together to tell the story of what's working in marketing. Where should we invest? How can we prove our impact, right? And with technology changes, new tools being added, changes in territory assignments, changes in buying journeys, buying committees, with new marketing segments being added that your team now wants to go after, ABM motions, or actually the changing go-to-market motion, and all of these other changes that we deal with on a daily basis, all of this creates more data and more confusion. And this is where CaliberMind is really helpful. It's easy, it's powerful, and it's complete. CaliberMind is designed to help multiple teams within your go-to-market organization. In a lot of cases, we start with marketing operations. And all of these challenges that you see on this slide, by removing the previously difficult to accomplish tasks from your day. We also help demand generation team to answer the questions that every CFO needs to know, or every marketing leader who will talk to the CFO needs to know. How can you prove what's working? We're generating leads, but nothing's happening with sales. They think those leads are junk. What does this mean? How can we bring sales and marketing together? How can we optimize our budgets on channels or campaigns or motions that produce the most output? How can we bring all of the data into one place and report it in a way where everybody can understand the so what behind the numbers? This and more is what CaliberMind helps you solve for. And multiple teams within your organization will benefit from CaliberMind, whether it's functional teams within marketing, revenue marketing, demand generation, performance marketing, ABM, maybe your BDR team sits under marketing. All of them will see value, but also marketing leadership, sales leadership, and potentially client success leadership, because they will have access to the data aggregated custom in CaliberMind that will show them the views that are important to them. No more, no less. And we can bring data from the entire tech stack that you have, whether it falls within marketing analytics, whether it's your ABM motion, maybe it's aggregation of the buyer journey and the buying groups, all transformed and unified to tell the story. And now if we look at the 4 different solutions, or rather 3 different solutions that CaliberMind offers to solve for, it could be the question of multi-touch attribution and answering the questions on the value of marketing. Maybe it's the funnel that you're trying to get better clarity into and understand your conversion rates. It's ROI and return on advertising spend. Maybe your account-based marketing motion needs to have clarity and ROI explanations and the story behind it. Maybe you're trying to activate the accounts that are hot and deliver those insights to sales so they can prioritize what matters. Understand who the buying team is and who they need to reach out to. All of that will be done with a solid foundation of transformed and unified data, with a layer of generative AI insights where your team can get help aggregating the insights and the story behind dashboards, graphs, and charts. Multiple organizations today, just like yours, trust CaliberMind with providing marketing analytics insights. We're ranked number 1 multi-touch attribution vendor within G2 space and number 1 enterprise attribution vendor as well. We're easy to do business with, and we're excited to help your entire go-to-market team so that you can drive revenue in a more effective and efficient way.